am Lin. I started my channel to share my life experiences with my friends and family. What I realized was that along this journey, I found more and more friends through the YouTube community. This has turned into my YouTube family.
Wait for your subjects. No way.
I will continue to share my life through cooking, eating, and traveling, and hopefully this spreads your awareness of tolerance, acceptance, and understanding of other cultures. The best way to get to know other people is stepping into their world and embracing their food, culture, and history. I hope by watching my channel, you'll not only get to know me, but also what our world has to offer. Traveling is my love and passion, and I hope to do it as much as I can. I want to step out of my normal life and my comfort zone. I want to really live my life by capturing new experiences by walking the footsteps of others. I want to see things not only from my point of view, but through the views of strangers. I'll capture the beauty of what this world has to offer. I can't wait to share my journey with you. Watch me grow, laugh, and even cry through my journey of life. Welcome